For those people who don't know where the battery at, sometimes your battery is in the middle of your truck. You gotta move that gate, and then you gotta move off that. I just dropped that bolt right there. Oh shoot, hold on, I got a magnet. Detector. Magnet. You know what I'm saying? Oh. So my customer called me and asked me to take the battery out their truck so they could put some new ones in. So I'm about to take these out, take it to my customer house because they is resting right now. They've been on the road, you feel me? So I'm about to take these out and take them to them.